Yo, what's up? Bonjour. Welcome back to yet another reaction. I'm reacting to a song that came at the perfect time, the perfect year for a perfect team at that time. Okay. So this song came out. What's going on? My thing is mixing up things. This song came out. When was it? Let's see. Oh my goodness. This song is mixed up with something. Anyway, the song came out at the right time, okay? And France won. That was 7 years ago. France won that World Cup when the song came out. It was beautiful, okay? Everybody in the world played the song. So I'm just gonna react to it because I love this artist and I feel like he's one of the biggest artists in the world speaking French. So for all my French brothers and sisters out there, bonjour. Je m'appelle Titi. J'habite à Botswana. What can I say? If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. If you're from France, bonjour as well. Let's get to the song. I'm not gonna play the entire song because talk about the perfect timing. You probably have had AI songs that were attempting to make World Cup songs, like, I mean, AI people that tried to make, what am I trying to say? You probably had songs that were made through AI attempting to make a World Cup song. And most of those songs are actually trying to imitate what this song did at that time, like mentioning players and what their main skill is. So if you are hearing a World Cup song that is made by AI, they'll try to like say Babe, like kick the ball or something like that, and they are trying to copy what the song made. That's how big the song.
À droite, Kylian Mbappé. Accélération, virgule, petit pont, frappe, Kylian Mbappé. Je sais plus si je suis gaucher ou droitier, je tire des deux pieds, Ousmane Dembélé. Je sais plus si je suis gaucher ou droitier, je tire des deux pieds, Ousmane Dembélé. Ramenez la coupe à la maison. Allez les bleus, allez. 20 ans,
France was on fire at that time. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna react to because, you know, I wanted us to get into the World Cup spirit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on the other side. Bye.